Hi y'all, today we're going to be doing some blueberry cornbread. For this we got some cornmeal, we got some flour, we got some salt, baking powder, brown sugar, baking soda, some milk, some eggs, some butter, and obviously some blueberries. But before we get to baking, we are on the road to 1,000 subscribers, so if you want to learn a new recipe every week, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, and let's get to baking. In our mixing bowl, we're going to start with 1 1/4 of cornmeal, 1 cup of our flour, half a cup of our packed brown sugar, 1 1/2 teaspoons of baking powder, half a teaspoon of baking soda, half a teaspoon of salt, half a cup of melted butter, 3/4 of a cup of milk. Now we're going to go ahead and get this well combined. Once we have it well combined, then we're going to take 2 cups of our blueberries. I'm going to save just a few of mine to put on the top after we pour it. Now we're going to go ahead and fold these in. I'm using frozen, you can use fresh. I just happen to have a massive supply of frozen. Don't fold them in too much, it will dye it, but you just want to fold them in. Then we want to take our baking dish. We've gone ahead and lightly oiled our baking dish. I know I'm using glass, it's wild. It's usually cast iron. Now I'm going to take those last few blueberries I saved, sprinkle them on top. Now we have our oven preheated to 400 degrees. We're going to throw this in there for 25 to 30 minutes until they're done. At that point, I'll bring you back. Hi y'all, after about 25 minutes, we got cornbread. Blueberry cornbread to be exact. But if you like this video, go ahead, hit that like and subscribe button down below. There's a video over here that YouTube thinks you should watch. And until next time, keep on cooking on.